as Dean, Faculty of Architecture and Acoustics, pray that these candidates belonging to my faculty and whose names are set out in the list and who have been examined and found qualified for PhD, M. Arch Building Services, Medical Architecture, Architecture Pedagogy, Recreation Architecture, M. Acoustics, and B. Arch degree may be admitted to respective degrees.
उन इख्तियारात की रूह से जो बहैसियत शेखुल जामिया जामिया मिल्लिया इस्लामिया मुझे हासिल हैं, मैं आपको PhD, M. Arch बिल्डिंग सर्विसेज, मेडिकल, पेडागॉजी, रिक्रिएशनल, M. Acoustics और B. Arch की डिग्री अता करता हूं और हिदायत करता हूं कि आप हमेशा अपने कौल व अमल से खुद को इस एजाज का अहल साबित करें।
Now I request the Dean, Faculty of Fine Arts, to present the candidates and the Vice Chancellor to admit them to their respective degrees, diplomas.
I, as Dean, Faculty of Fine Arts, pray that these candidates belonging to my faculty and whose names are set out in the list and who have been examined and found qualified for MFA Painting, Sculpture, Applied Art, Art Education, Art History and Art Appreciation, Graphic Art, BFA Applied Art, Painting, Sculpture, Art Education, Diploma in Sculpture may be admitted to the respective degrees, diplomas.
उन इख्तियारात की रूह से जो बहैसियत शेखुल जामिया जामिया मिल्लिया इस्लामिया मुझे हासिल हैं, मैं आपको MFA पेंटिंग, स्कल्पचर, अप्लाइड आर्ट, आर्ट एजुकेशन, आर्ट हिस्ट्री एंड आर्ट एप्रिसिएशन, ग्राफिक आर्ट्स, BFA अप्लाइड आर्ट, पेंटिंग, स्कल्पचर, आर्ट एजुकेशन, डिप्लोमा इन स्कल्पचर की डिग्री डिप्लोमा अता करता हूं और हिदायत करता हूं कि आप हमेशा अपने कौल व अमल से खुद को इस एजाज का अहल साबित करें।
Now I request the Dean, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, to present the candidates and the Vice Chancellor to admit them to their respective degrees, diplomas.
I, as Dean, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, pray that these candidates belonging to my faculty, whose names are set out in the list and who have been examined and found qualified for PhD, MTech, Environmental Science and Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical Power System Management, MSc Electronics, BTech in Civil, Mechanical, Electrical, Electronics and Communication, Computer, B. Evening in Civil, Mechanical, Electrical, Electronics and Communication, Computer, Diploma Engineering Regular in Civil, Computer, Electrical, Electronics and Communication, Mechanical, and Diploma in Evening, Diploma in Engineering Evening in Civil, Computer, Electrical, Electronics and Communication, Mechanical may be admitted to the respective degrees, diploma.
उन इख्तियारात की रूह से जो बहैसियत शेखुल जामिया जामिया मिल्लिया इस्लामिया मुझे हासिल हैं, मैं आपको PhD, MTech, एनवायरमेंटल साइंसेज एंड इंजीनियरिंग, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग, इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर सिस्टम्स मैनेजमेंट, MSc इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, BTech सिविल, मैकेनिकल, इलेक्ट्रिकल, कंप्यूटर, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन, B. Evening Civil, Mechanical, Electrical, Computer, Electronics and Communication, Diploma Engineering regular, civil, mechanical, electrical, computer, electronics and communication, diploma engineering evening, civil, mechanical, electrical, computer, electronics and communication की डिग्री डिप्लोमा अता करता हूं और हिदायत करता हूं कि आप हमेशा अपने कौल व अमल से खुद को इस एजाज का अहल साबित करें।
Now I request the Director, Anwar Jamal Kidwai, Mass Communication Research Center, to present the candidates and the Vice Chancellor to admit them to their respective degrees, diplomas.
I, as Director, Anwar Jamal Kidwai, Mass Communication Research Center, pray that these candidates belonging to my centers and other centers of Jamia Millia Islamia, namely Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar Academy of International Studies, Center for Management Studies, Center for Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation Sciences, Nelson Mandela Center for Peace and Conflict Resolution, Center for Study of Comparative Religions and Civilizations, Dr. K.R. Narayan Center for Dalit and Minority Studies, Center for Culture, Media and Governance, Indo-Arab Cultural Center, Center for West Asian Studies, Center for Jawaharlal Nehru Studies, Center for Nanosciences and Nanotechnology, Center for Interdisciplinary Research in Basic Sciences, whose names are set out in the list and who have been examined and found qualified for PhD, MA Mass Communication, Convergent Journalism, PG Diplomas in Development Communication, Visual Effects and Animation, Broadcast Technology, Still Photography and Visual Communication, Graphics Animation, MPhil, MBA, MBA Evening, Master of Physiotherapy, Sports, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, MA Conflict Analysis and Peace Building, Comparative Religions, Social Exclusion and Inclusive Policy, Media Governance, MTech Nanotechnology, Advanced Diplomas in Spanish, Portuguese, French, Russian, Italian, PG Diploma in Iranology, Diploma in Spanish, Portuguese, French, Russian, Italian, Catalan, Uzbek may be admitted to the respective degrees and diplomas.
उन इख्तियारात की रूह से जो बहैसियत शेखुल जामिया जामिया मिल्लिया इस्लामिया मुझे हासिल हैं, मैं आपको PhD, MA, मास कम्युनिकेशन, कन्वर्जेंट जर्नलिज्म, PG डिप्लोमाज इन डेवलपमेंट कम्युनिकेशन, विजुअल इफेक्ट एंड एनिमेशन, ब्रॉडकास्ट टेक्नोलॉजी, स्टिल फोटोग्राफी एंड विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन, ग्राफिक एनिमेशन और दीगर सेंटर्स जैसे मौलाना मोहम्मद अली जौहर Academy of International Studies, Center for Management Studies, Center for Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation Sciences, Nelson Mandela Center for Peace and Conflict Resolution, Center for Study of Comparative Religions and Civilization, Dr. K.R. Narayan Center for Dalit and Minority Studies, Center for Culture, Media and Governance, India-Arab Cultural Center, Center for West Asian Studies, Center for Jawaharlal Nehru Studies, Center for Nanosciences and Nanotechnology, Center for Interdisciplinary Research in Basic Sciences, PhD, MPhil, MBA, MBA Evening, Master of Physiotherapy, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, MA Conflict Analysis and Peace Building, Comparative Religion, Social Exclusion and Inclusive Policy, Media Governance, MTech Nanotechnology, Advanced Diploma in Spanish, Portuguese, French, Russian, Italian, PG Diploma in Iranology, Diploma in Spanish, Portuguese, French, Russian, Italian, Catalan, Uzbek की डिग्री डिप्लोमा अता करता हूँ और हिदायत करता हूँ कि आप हमेशा अपने कौल व अमल से खुद को इस एजाज़ का अहल साबित करें। May I now request the Chancellor to present the medals to the deans of the respective faculties and directors of the Center for students who topped the list of successful candidates in various courses. The Dean Student Welfare would announce the names of the recipients of medals. The respective deans, directors would receive the medals on behalf of the toppers. The recipients will stand and wave towards the stage.
The names of the students who are gold medalists of various courses offered by different faculties and centers of Jamia Millia Islamia are Faculty of Humanities and Languages, MA Arabic, Muhammad Umair, BA Honours Arabic, Fahim Ahmed, Advanced Diploma in Modern Arabic Language and Translation, Noor Alam, Diploma in Modern Arabic Language, Muhammad Ali, MA English, Nandini Kalita, BA Honours English, Sania Tariq, Diploma in Translation Proficiency, Humaira Naz, MA Hindi, Vishal Mishra, BA Honours Hindi, Tabassum, BA Honours Mass Media, Writing Hindi, Iti Sharan, PG Diploma in Journalism, Nigar Fatma, PG Diploma in TV Journalism, Hemraj Singh Chauhan, MA History, Ejaz Hussain Malik, BA Honours History, Imran Imam, Diploma in Tourism and Travel Management, Akifa Zaheen Naqvi, MA Islamic Studies, Shaheen, BA Honours Islamic Studies, Ghulam Ahmad Raza, MA Persian, Yasir Abbas, BA Honours Persian, Muhammad Marghoob Zia, Advanced Diploma in Modern Persian, Halima Firdaus, Diploma in Modern Persian, Asif Iqbal Khan, Diploma in Turkmenian, Javed Akhtar, Diploma in Pashto Language, Salman Yusuf, MA Urdu, Abdul Rahman, BA Honours Urdu, Abdul Adila Bibi, PG Diploma in Urdu Mass Media, Muhammad Masroor Rizvi, Advanced Diploma in Turkish, Muhammad Sertaj, and finally, Diploma in Turkish, Muhammad Mubashir Anjum. Faculty of Social Sciences, BA Noor Jahan, MCom Aisha Kakkar, MIB Kashifa Hassan, BCom Honours Sayyid Aqib Mushtaba, BBS Honours Muhammad Adnan Aslam, BIBF Honours Nahid Darakshan, MA Economics Sakshi Bindal, BA Honours Economics Muhammad Fayyaz, BA with Computer Application Muhammad Shaukat Ali, MA Political Science Nihan Hassan, MA Human Rights and Duties Education Lalita, MA Public Administration Praveen Shankar, BA Honours Political Science Hamidur Rahman, MA Applied Psychology Sayyida Bushra Begum, BA Honours Psychology Roshan Jahan Ahmed, PG Diploma in Counseling Psychology Fauzia Nazam, MA Social Work Manpreet Bajwa, MA Human Resource Management Sanjay Bhattacharya, BA Honours Social Work Irfana Bakht, PG Diploma in Management of NGOs, Syed Tanveer Hussain. MA Sociology, Bhumika Chauhan. BA Honours Sociology, Azra. Bachelor's in Library and Information Science, Ishrat Jahan. And finally, the gold medal instituted by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India to the student who has secured first position in BCom Honours is being awarded to Syed Aqib Mujtaba. Faculty of Natural Sciences, BSc Kamran Zaidi, MSc Bioscience Tabinda Shakil, MSc Biochemistry Ishita Malhotra, BSc Biosciences Anam Farooqi, MSc Biotechnology Sakshi Agarwal, BSc Biotechnology Zaid Kamal Madni, MSc Chemistry Fahim Rasool, BSc Honours Chemistry Farhat Shaheen, MSc Bioinformatics Diba Rizvi, Masters in Computer Application Bashir Ahmed Mir, PG Diploma in Computer Application Syed Ziaul Amin, MA MSc Geography Aparna Sengupta, BA BSc Honours Geography Fahmida Tasneem Nahar, PG Diploma in Digital Cartography Rakshanda Noor, PG Diploma in Remote Sensing and GIS Babita Kumari, MSc Technology Industrial Maths with Computer Application Mohammad Amjad, MSc Mathematics with Computer Science Rita, MA MSc Mathematics Swati Chabra, BSc Honours Mathematics Shahana, MSc Physics Imtiaz Ahmed Bhatt, BSc Honours Physics Shaista Parveen, and finally BSc Instrumentation Vocational Prince Kumar. Faculty of Education, MA Educational Planning and Administration, Devika Gulati, M.Ed. Swapnil Rastogi, M.Ed. Elementary Education, Priyanka Thakran, MA Education, Shama Noreen Major, M.Ed. Special Education, Akanksha Goswami, B.Ed. Zoya Fatma, B.Ed. Nursery Education, Aisha Arif, B.Ed. Special Education, S.M. Sabahuddin, and finally, Diploma in Elementary Teacher Education, Nazish. Faculty of Law, BA LLB Honours, Apurva Tamrakar, and LLM, Nida Zainab Naqvi. Faculty of Architecture and Acoustics, Bachelors in Architecture, Firoz Alam, Masters in Acoustics, Rishi Dev, Masters in Architecture, Recreational, Rahil Alam, Masters in Architecture, Medical, Nazia Iqbal, Masters in Architecture, Building Services, Vishal Chauhan, and finally, Masters in Architecture, Pedagogy, Madhuri Agarwal. Faculty of Fine Arts, MFA Painting, Javed Aslam T, MFA Sculpture, Chitranjan Moharana, MFA Applied Art, Anupma Kumari, MFA Art Education, Syed Zafar Tehseen, MFA Graphics Art, Kiranjit Singh, MFA Art History and Art Appreciation, Shilpi, BFA Applied Art, Shoeba Parveen, BFA Painting, Namrita Sharma, BFA Sculpture, Vidya Sagar Gupta, BFA Art Education, Pankaj Kumar Chauhan, and finally, Diploma in Sculpture, Nauttam Patel. Faculty of Engineering and Technology, MSc Electronics, Tripti Chawla, MTech Environmental Science and Engineering, Zainab Jalis, MTech Electrical Power System and Management, Ikhlaq Hussain, MTech Mechanical Engineering, Haider Faisal Hilal Mubarak, BTech Civil, Karishma Bhatnagar, BTech Electrical, Salman Uddin, BTech Mechanical, Sagar Mittal, BTech Electronics and Communication, Mohammad Faisal Siddiqui, BTech Computer, Sumedha Verma, BE Civil Engineering, Vijay Kumar, BE Electrical Engineering, Ravi Nath, BE Electronics and Communication Engineering, Riaz Ali, BE Mechanical Engineering, Mohammad Shoaib Khan, BE Computer Engineering, Raju, Diploma in Civil Engineering, Mohammad Kamil Anwar, Diploma in Computer Engineering, Fahim Ahmad, Diploma in Electrical Engineering, Mohammad Faisal, Diploma in Electronics and Communication Engineering, Saima Azhar, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, Nafis Ahmad, Diploma in Civil Engineering, Evening, Nishat Ahmad, Diploma in Electrical Engineering, Evening, Brajesh Kumar, Diploma in Electronics Engineering, Evening, Mohammad Imran Alam, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, Evening, Abdul Sami, and finally, Diploma in Computer Engineering, Evening, Faisal Atta. Now the names of gold medalists for various centers. AJK Mass Communication Research Center, MA in Mass Communication, Lohita Phukan. MA in Convergent Journalism, Isha Paul. PG Diploma in Development Communication, Tanushri Sharma. PG Diploma in Broadcast Technology, Jai Kishan Saini. PG Diploma in Still Photography and Visual Communication, Soumya Khandelwal. PG Diploma in Graphics and Animation, Thoksom Soni. Center for Management Studies, MBA Full-Time, Hafsa Farozan Ali. MBA Evening, Shivinder Kumar Jha. Center for Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation Sciences, Masters of Physiotherapy, Deepika Singla. Bachelor of Physiotherapy, Shumaila Chaudhary. Nelson Mandela Center for Peace and Conflict Resolution, MA in Conflict Analysis and Peace Building, Vandana Singh. Center for Comparative Religions and Civilization, MA in Comparative Religions, Maria Hamid. Dr. K.R. Narayanan Center for Dalit and Minority Studies, MA in Social Inclusion and Exclusive Policy, Yamini Agarwal. Center for Culture, Media and Governance, MA in Media Governance, Subhajit Bandopadhyay. Center for Indo-Arab Cultural Studies, PG Diploma in Iranology, Syed Ali Akhtar. Center for Nanoscience and Nanotechnology, MTech in Nanotechnology, Priyank Saxena. MMAJ Academy of International Studies, Diploma in Uzbek, Shabi Naz. Center for Spanish and Latin American Studies, Advanced Diploma in Spanish, Sunny Bhala. Advanced Diploma in Portuguese, Muhammad Ashfaq. Advanced Diploma in French, Abdur Rahman Ansari. Advanced Diploma in Russian, Muhammad Faiz Alam. Advanced Diploma in Italian, Purushottam Kumar. Diploma in Spanish, Faizan Ahmed. Diploma in Portuguese, Aftab Alam. Diploma in French, Saleh Muhammad Hidayatullah. Diploma in Russian, S. Thongamma Mehti. Diploma in Italian, Sumit Saran. And finally, Diploma in Catalan, Nikhil Tanwar.
Janab Amir Jamia, may I with your permission declare the convocation closed. With the permission of the Amir Jamia, I declare the convocation closed. We shall now have the national anthem.